Can you play with your new puppy? What's your new puppy do?
Hug me.
What's he do?
Bye-bye. It's learning time. Ruff, ruff.
What's he do, Matthew?
Hand.
What's he do?
Green hand. Yay! Hand. Foot. Yellow foot. Green hand. Tummy.
What's that puppy do?
Let's sing and play games. Arf, arf. Patty cake, bake first man. Make me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it, pat it, and mark it with a B, and put it in the oven for baby and me.
Listen to the cat sing.